Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this mouth-watering and delicious cinnamon monkey bread, also known as cinnamon pull-apart bread. It is light and fluffy dough balls that are covered in a gooey brown sugar cinnamon sauce before being baked. This recipe is made from scratch, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is prepare the dough. For that, in a tall glass or small bowl, combine together some milk, instant yeast, and sugar. We're going to give that a mix and set it aside for about a minute or two. Make sure the milk is not hot or else this could kill the yeast. Next, we're going to add in cooled melted butter and a large egg. Give that a mix as well until fully combined. We're going to set that aside and move on to the dry ingredients. For today, I'm using a stand mixer to make the dough, but you can also make this dough by hand. Combine some all-purpose flour and some salt. We're going to add in the yeast mixture that we made earlier and beat on medium speed until the dough comes together and pulls away from the bowl. Transfer the dough onto a floured surface, and we're going to knead this for about 2 minutes by hand, or you can also knead it in the stand mixer for about 2 minutes as well. The full recipe is available in the description box below with tips and tricks to getting the perfect soft and fluffy monkey bread every single time. Transfer the dough into a greased bowl and cover to rest for at least 1 hour or even up to overnight if you're planning to make this for the next morning. Transfer the dough onto a floured surface and we're going to roll it out about ½ an inch in thickness. Now using a dough cutter or a knife, you're going to cut the dough as shown in the video. Roll each of these squares into a ball. They do not have to be perfect at all, and in fact they will not be the same size as well, and that's totally okay. Once that's done, we're going to arrange this into a greased Bundt pan. I'm just using some vegetable oil and brushing it all around the sides, and then just arrange the balls in a random way on top of each other like this. Now we're going to cover and rest for another 30 minutes. Once it's been 20 minutes, we're going to make the sauce. For that, we're going to combine together butter, some brown sugar, and cinnamon and melt this on high heat while stirring until everything is combined. You can also do this in a microwave if you like. Now we're going to pour this sauce onto the dough balls, and at this point they have doubled in size and are nice and fluffy. Now we're going to bake this in an oven preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Once baked, let the bread cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the icing. For that, we're going to combine together powdered sugar and milk until it is nice and smooth. You can also skip this step if you'd like and eat the bread as is. Flip the bread onto a cake stand or a serving tray. Look at that. Doesn't that look so gooey and scrumptious? All you have to do now is drizzle on the glaze and you can dig in with your bare hands. And here it is, the cinnamon monkey bread is ready to be enjoyed. You can serve this for breakfast, brunch, dessert, or even as a snack with a cup of tea or coffee. You can cut it up or serve it pull-apart style. Each of these little balls is like a mini gooey cinnamon roll. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. Thanks for watching.